How to repost posts and reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Instagram's new repost feature. So if you want to share posts or reels without using third-party apps, follow along step by step. All right, let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open the app and head to your home feed. Under each post, you'll now see a new repost icon. It's right between the comment button and the share button. Tap it, and the post will instantly be shared with your followers. It'll also appear in a new repost section on your profile. Want to add your own comment when reposting? After you tap the repost icon, tap on your profile picture that pops up on the left. Type in your comment, hit save, and it will appear floating on top of the post when people see it in their feed. Now let's check out Reels. When scrolling through Reels, you'll see the repost button on the right side, along with the like, comment, and share icons. Tap it to repost the reel, and again, you can add a comment by tapping your profile picture on the left. Once you've shared something, go to your profile. You'll notice a brand new Repost tab. Tap on it to see all the content you've reposted in one place. And if you ever change your mind, just press and hold the repost thumbnail and tap Repost button to remove it. And that's it. That's how you use Instagram's brand new repost feature.